What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to easily share your location on WhatsApp. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Whether you're meeting up with friends, letting loved ones know where you are, or sharing a cool spot, WhatsApp makes this incredibly easy. First, you need to open WhatsApp. Once the app is open, navigate to the Chats tab. This is where all your conversations are listed. Now, find and open the conversation with the person or group you want to share your location with. This can be a single user or a group chat. To share your location, tap on the plus sign or the paperclip icon located at the bottom left of the screen. This will open up a menu with several options. From the pop-up menu, select Location. WhatsApp will then prompt you for permission to access your device's location if you haven't already granted it. Make sure to allow this to proceed. You'll be presented with two choices: send your current location and share live location. To send your current location, which is automatically detected, tap on Send your current location. Your WhatsApp profile picture will show up on the map, showing where you are at the moment. Alternatively, if you wish to share your location in real time for a specified duration, select Share live location. You can choose how long you want to share this information: 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. After selecting the duration, tap on the Send button. The recipient can then track your movements in real time until the sharing period ends, or you choose to manually stop it by selecting Stop Sharing. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.